it's been the ruin of many a poor boy. And God, I know I'm one. Well, we probably all recognize that old stalwart, New Orleans kind of folk blues thing. It's been done every which way, from the Animals, you name it. I still really love it, though. It's a storytelling, House of the Rising Sun, right? You know what that is? If you don't, you will. So let me go through the chords in slow motion for you so you have them, and then I'll give you some insight into what you can do to make these chords more interesting. Starts out with an A minor, then you go up to a C chord, and then a straight up D, and then an F, any which way you want to do it. Some people do it like that. Then you're back to your A minor, and then a C, and then an E major. Then back to your A minor, walk up to C, and then your D, and then an F, and then it wraps up with an A minor to an E to an A minor. And that's, it's a kind of a little bit of a St. James Infirmary kind of storytelling blues. But without getting too much into the lyrics and all that other stuff, I want you to just be clear on what I'm doing on the guitar, because that's what this is about. Hopefully I can let you in on a couple of little passing licks and little connective tissues that help make it interesting. So I usually use the target note on each chord, the root note, in this case the A minor, and then I do it like a drang. C, D, F, A, C, back to A minor, C, D, and then A, and then it resolves on the E. Now you'll notice I'm using what I call target notes. I'm using the root note of each chord. Here, in this case, the A minor note is the A bass. And I walk up to the C. And then I hit a straight D note, and an F note with the F, and then an A note, and then a C, and then a low E. And I'll sometimes sus it for drama. Back to the A minor, walk up to the C, cool little lick there, D, F, A, E, A. What I'm going to do now is, rather than take too much time to explain all this stuff, because again I do that in other courses, I'm just going to simply play through it at a kind of a slow speed. And I'm going to add, each time I'm going to layer licks on it so you can understand what I'm doing and see how it goes to build it. But remember, the stroke, that you're hitting is... That's the real voice of the song. That's the real mood it gets going. So here it is, House of the Rising Sun. Just going to play the guitar and let you study my hands and take what you can from it. Moody little piece of music, isn't it?